Hello everybody, this is Suguwa, an amateur indie VTuber, and today I have a very simple video for you because I rather have my channel active right now about where I'm going to show you how to run cmd, aka command prompt or command line, whatever you want to call it on Windows, as administrator mode. Okay, this is very simple. Not going to go too fluffy there. So let's get right into it. Okay, so right now what you need to do is the first method is you can run it through the run dialog prompt. So what you need to do is the first method you can just hold Windows key button, hold that, and also press R. Hold together, and then after that, that's what you will get here. This is run dialog. Okay, so you just type here cmd, and usually you will press enter, right? But if you press enter, it will not run as administrator. It will just run as this typical how do we call this, unelevated user mode. So to go into this administrator mode, very simple. You just hold Ctrl aka Control Shift. Okay, press that to Control Shift aka Ctrl Shift, and after you hold these two together, just just press enter 2, and you will get this USC control panel that says you want to run it. Just press yes. Okay, so this is the administrator, and in case you're confused what the dialog is, this is the USC dialog. You will find this one. It will tell you to run. You just press yes. Okay, very simple. And the second method you can use, you can also run it on by searching it on the taskbar or whatever you can use. Okay, for example, I just opened through this start menu button, this Windows start menu. Also, you can just press Windows here, Windows key here. This is the second method, and then you just type cmd. You can also done it, but you can also pin it like me. Okay, I just pin it here. Very simple. But in this case, for this tutorial, I'll just enter cmd on this search bar, and then usually you will left click here or even enter. But if you do it, the same thing will happen. It will just only initiate it on in user mode. So you want to run it as administrator, very simple. So you just right click here and just click run as administrator. Just click there, and on the USC dialog just say yes here, and that's it. You have already run it as administrator. Very simple step, and similar like this, if you counter with the USC, just click yes because you want to run it as administrator, right? Very simple. And also that's it. We have already concluded on how to run it. Very simple. Okay, maybe this video slightly can be long for you, but explanation is needed so no one will get confused at the end of the day. And also a little bit of reminder here. I want to restart this Just Some Talk again. Okay, Just Some Talk podcast, but this time I will run it as the true podcast style, so you will not see me in this active VTuber avatar. You will see me more like in, how do I say, in the profile picture style, this PNG VTuber, whatever is it, but you will still see my VTuber avatar not in active way, more like in the picture mode. Okay, so that's all, because I just want to talk without having to set up this again over and over. I just want to talk. So that's it, guys. Yeah, very lengthy. So that's it. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.